I would describe the bootcamp as dynamic and fast-flowing.
Inspiring, illuminating,
inspirational.
The business bootcamps are designed for owners and senior managers in businesses that are looking for opportunities to grow. It helps them to step back and look at their business in a different way, and importantly also look at their customer in a different way.
Top takeaways would be being able to step out of the business, look at the big picture, see where the gaps are, and get together a strategy and a plan to reach your goals.
It's given me a bit more of clear direction on where I need to go and what I need to do to achieve growth and profitability.
There's a vast amount of tools that we'll be incorporating into planning for what's happening next.
The experience that I'd like to take back to my team is that there is options to grow, and something like this will help us do it.
Many of the business owners have a significant background and success as well in their industry, so it's really inspiring to see the amount of passion and experience around the table.
So I think I'm going to go back and get the team together and really start, doing some 90-day game plans and get those goals happening, which is exciting.
Straight back into the office, and I'm going to use these tools and develop my next 12-month business plan.
I would say if you're looking for an opportunity to grow or trying to find a different way of looking at your business for success, come along, you will take something away, I promise.